Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Kaggwa and Mrs. Ronald, all protocol observed. My name is Philip
Peter. I head the department in Uganda National Company where Ronald works. Now, before I say anything, allow me just to say this is the team from the Uganda National Company that Ronald Kaggwa spends most of the day, at least 8 hours a day, with. And clearly, we are extremely very happy that Ronald has made it through and seen this day in reality.
Bwe batyo ng'abagole barisivinga ebirabo okuva tiimu y'Enoko. What you need peace and grace and team. Mwebale nnyo abarapidi okuyimirira naffe tweyanziza naye enzija gye muzzeemu sigitegedde engatto z'empaavu kiki oba webiyimba kiika weebale nnyo ekaliisizo okubeera omu naffe Mukama abatuwe omukisa weebale nnyo.
Today, first of all, I want to thank you so much for the precious time you've spared to come and be witness of this great milestone. God started something in us that we have accomplished today. Tetwagala kwemulugunya kwonna Katonda abadde mulungi. Njagala okwebaza abazadde abanzaalira omukyala okusooka, maama ne taata Ssaalongo, mwakkiriza nze okubeera n'omwana wammwe, era neebaza essaala ezo zemutuwadde. Katonda atukoze obulungi, mwebale otusabira, mwebale otugayinga, Katonda abatuwere ddala omukisa. Abantu bonna be mwatambudde nabo twebaza Katonda eyabaleese, era tumusaba nti oyo eyabaleese ajja kubatambuza okuddayo ekaliisizo kyokero emirembe. Katonda abeere nammwe. Okudda ku bazadde bange taata nemwakuza ewaawo, era nange nembeera ekirabo eri mmwe, era nange afuuse ekirabo olwolyawo eri abalala. Neebaza abalala mwebawuddala. Okudda ku mikwano gyange n'abo mu kibibi bonna twalumisa kubeebaza, mwebala okutendeka eggendo. I want to take this opportunity again in a special way to thank all my friends, my OPs and OGs. You've been so wonderful to us. Without you guys, this function wouldn't have been a success. I want to thank the UNOG family in a special way. Guys, you're with us. Thank you so much. Those guys have been there from the beginning up to the end. And you can see all chairs are now empty, but they are still comfortably seated. I bless God for you guys. Thank you so much. I can see my boss Loida. I can see everyone there, farm, upstream department, and the entire family. I bless God for you guys. You've blessed me. I will not mention your names because it will be endless. I thank you, and thank you. I want to thank the Josiah's fraternity. You guys have done me so good. One of my colleagues traveled all the way from Kenya yesterday to attend my wedding. Unfortunately, he got an abrupt call and I had to travel back. You've loved me, you've supported me. I want to thank our friends. By the way, Resty has told me she's not going to say anything because one thing we share in common are friends. So that's why Carol happens to be my classmate at the time, but she's the matron. Davis here happens to be my old boy and has always been there. And the other thing, by the way, in a special way, they are the spiritual guardians for our daughters. Isn't that wonderful? So you guys, thank you so much. You're special. Winnie Kataike, you are another special guardian to our little girls. I bless God for you, girl. You've blessed us so much. Thank you for the monies you've given us. You guys have given, and I bless God for you. The Sinok family, I know most of them have left, but I know this message will reach you. I bless God for you. You've supported me, and we are still a family. I want to thank also the Rapid family, led by Madame Resty, Sarah, Engineer. I bless God for you guys. Thank you for the support. This function has been a success because of you. I want to thank my family in general. The Kasekele family, you blessed me. I want to thank Uncle Drake's family, they've been so supportive. Namganda Wangowenja Ashman Chagran. Thank you. Kathy, I bless God for you guys. Thank you. In his absence, Chef Dr. Chaglani happens to be our uncle. He's away. And Dr. Mbenga, those states South Africa, they've been a great support to this event. They give me money, by the way. I want to thank my uncle. Wait for me. Mukowani, Nganda Wangi. Still, God bless you. God bless you. This thing is so endless. Tugume, bless God for you. Thank you. The service providers, country vocals, Sharita Bridals, Grace Nichols, bless God for you. Thank you for the work. And
tetujja kuba na nkola yonna ngeri ya kukola kimuli naye oyo yenna anakikwata tukkiriza Katonda Mukama abeeramu omukisa abeeramu omukisa. People get ready tugenda kuleeta ekimuli kikyo ssatu bbiri emu. Eyasoose okujja bakikutuddeko abiridano biza talinaba bitundu ebiti oyina toyina tulabe. Kale nakalirwa akyali singo naye bw'abanga amaze essomero tukkiriza Katonda ekiseera kye tugenda kufuna essaala tuli ba musanyo.
Omukolo gwaffe ogusooka bwe gutyo gugenze mukwano era nga nkamba tugenda kubeera nga tugenda mu bulango bwe tukomawo tugenda kutuusaako ate okwanjula k'omwana omuganda eyalese omu Nigeria love erina amaanyi katugende mu bulango bwe tukomawo tugenda ffenna ebukoma nsimbi nkwagala nnyo.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.